Have you been ever sitting at an airport station when all of a sudden you figured out a train's coming? Then you realize, is this the MBTA Blue Line? Yes, so hop over and get your train on. No, not the Wonderland station to Revere, but the boat inside. You see, all of these things are a very different manufacturer. This is near the airport with the Boston Logan Airport, where planes take off for arrivals and departures. And also, if you get out of airport, you may go over to this bridge right here where you have an amazing shot of the trains going by. So, let's drive over to the airport station for the day and see what kind of trains come our way. On May 13th, 2021, this is where we are today, at Airport Station. I am racing, or kind of walking, towards the bridge. First on the list is Blue Line train number 741. Here is Blue Line train number 741 entering the tunnel with an amazing speed. Two minutes later, Blue Line train number 743 exited the tunnel to airport. Here is the Blue Line train exiting out of the tunnel with an incredible speed. Next, Blue Line train number 746 entering the Boston Number Tunnel. Here is the Blue Line train exiting Airport Station with a faster and then faster speed. Bye! I posted it on my dad's phone for video. Anyways, here's Blue Line train number 742 arriving at Airport Station. My last shot with my dad's phone. Anyways, here is Blue Line train number 716 entering the Boston Number Tunnel. I'm trying to chase it over to the other side, but sadly, it was going too fast. Anyways, here it is going to the Boston Number Tunnel. Look how shiny it is. I was trying to catch a bonus train when all of a sudden, Blue Line train number 744 raced out of nowhere through the Wonderland side. Anyways, here's 744 entering the Blue Line station. To cap off a great day of Railfanning, Blue Line train number 732 entered the Boston Number Tunnel. Here it is with a great far from the view. I was trying to go home, but then all of a sudden this train came.
Person in a room of people